Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create an Instagram page for business. All right. So unlike Facebook, you can go ahead and create a separate Facebook page under your Facebook account. But on Instagram, you have to create a new Instagram account if you want to, or you can just go ahead and use your own Instagram profile and switch it to a professional account or business account. All right. So for example, I'm going to be using this account. All right. So as this one is already a business account. So first, your standard account. I'll just go ahead over to your profile, 3 horizontal lines. Now make sure that your account is public. Now once that's done, scroll all the way down until you find account type and tools. All right. You're going to want to tap on it. After once done, go ahead over to switch to personal account, as this one is your personal account. So tap on switch, go ahead and tap on next. Go ahead and search the category if you want to display it on your profile. Well, enable this feature. And then in here, make sure that under categories, you go ahead and look for example, retailer, restaurant, real estate, all right, or whatever. For example, retail company right here. And then just basically tap on switch to professional account. And after that, all you got to do when asked is to choose either creator and business. Well, go ahead and select business, okay? As the creator option is optimized for influencers, while business is meant for physical stores, local brands, and service providers. There you have it. In the next stages, you might want to add in your public contact info, like your professional email, customer support phone number, and physical store address. All right, so that's how easy it is to create an Instagram page for business. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.